Now and then, all businesses need a little helping hand. Someone who can take care of all those dirty jobs so you don't have to. Someone who takes pride in giving you total peace of mind. And someone who can help you maintain the high standards that your clients expect. And at Addley Ltd, we're proud to offer you all this and more. We have over 28 years of experience working with commercial and industrial businesses throughout the Northwest, getting our hands dirty whilst building a reputation for excellence. Our expertise ranges from water system cleaning and disinfecting to chemical descaling, ductwork cleaning, and so much more. At Addley Ltd, you won't just get a great end result, you'll get the benefit of our highly trained COSH and HSE educated teams who, using the latest cleaning methods and technology, can complete the work required either on a one-off or a contractual basis. Exceeding the expectations of our clients comes naturally to us. Whether you need assistance after a chemical spill or you need sanitising services in a commercial setting, we're proud to be the specialist cleaning company of choice for Liverpool City Council, Everton FC, and hundreds of other commercial and industrial enterprises. Want to know if we can help you? Get in touch with us today for a free, no obligation quote.